See, here is R33 motherboard. Okay, it has come in dead condition. So dead condition in the sense, what are the issues? See, I connected the DC 0.027, after that 003. Okay, now I will press the power button. It will start or not. We'll check. See, here is the power button. When I test, see it on, okay, and off. Now again I will try. See, no luck. In this condition, how we will check the motherboard? What are the requirements we have to check? So this is the challenge to us. So model number is R33. See, in this condition, it's already on, right? So in on condition, what will be the AC detect? AC detect will be 2.5. It's a good one only. Means what about light? See, light also good. It means 3-5 sections are good. Here we up to 1 amp it went and it came back, right, in the DC machine. But what about power on? When I press the on button, so it's not starting. See, in this condition, first we need to check what the voltage of power. Okay, power button. See, now I'm going to check. Here is the power button is 1.3. Okay, in case of 1.3 it won't turn on, right? It's intermediate. It's not high or it's not low. I do one thing. I will disconnect the supply. Okay, now I disconnected. Now again I will connect it, and then I will turn it on. See, I'll check the power supply pin and check the voltage. See, the voltage is 1.3. Again I restarted I disconnected and I restarted. Again it's a 1.3. Okay, now I'll disconnect. So everyone will tell, right? So we have to keep it in ground for some minutes, some seconds. So that I'm going to do now. I'm discharging all caps. Now I will check the power button. Check the multimeter. I'm turning it on. Just a minute. On. Here, see the multimeter? It's directly on, but still it's 1.4. See it on and off. Now again I am trying to on it. The voltage is 1.4 only. Still in off condition. In this condition, where we have to check? First we need to check the path of power volts. So we are getting it's 1.4. Is it right or not? Because again second time we need to turn it on, right? So that time it's going to off, means the power button is not on or not off. In that condition it's showing. So now we have to go in backtrace. In that condition, we found R422 resistor, where I will show you. See, this one is actually it's a R442. Okay, from this resistor, where it is, yeah, from this resistor the power button is coming out. So now I will check the power supply of this particular resistor. See the supply, DC is 0. Now check the multimeter. I'll check one side of the resistor. One side is 3.3, input side is 3.3, and what about output side? See, it's turned on, again it's off. The voltage is 1.13 only. See, I removed, and again I am trying to turn it on. See the voltage, it's 1.3. What it means? Once I refresh this, so it's turning on when I touch the power button, but the button voltage was 1.3. In this condition, we need to check the path of power button. Why its input side is 3.3 and output side is 1.3. Okay, we'll backtrace it. Now I have replaced this R442. Before it was showing 3.9K. Okay, actually it's supposed to be 10K. So now I will check for the ohms. See the ohms, the value is now 9.6. At a time I replaced the IO also. So now what will be the voltage of this power button? That we will check. So now I am connecting. See the DC 26. Now what is the voltage in R442? So one side it's a 3.3 and other side, yes, 2.8 volts. See, before it was 1.5, intermediate. I already made a video regarding this high, low and intermediate concept. How TTL will work, so many things. But initial days nobody was caring this, but now see, this will be very useful one. Till now it's a 2.4 or 2.9, 2.6 is the output. Okay, now I'll turn it on. Okay, now I'll connect the supply, check the DC. Now actually your power button also has gone, but anyway, please check. See, turned on. See the DC. Let me check, it will go down. See, I connected the keyboard also. See, okay, it's working now. See, like this, in proper method we need to do the service, otherwise we will be in trouble. Okay, the main concept is very simple. There was a voltage in power button, it was intermediate. Okay, intermediate in the sense it was 1.3 or 1.4. It's actually, it has doubt, it will switch it on or switch it off. That's called, it's a TTL concept. So in that concept, some high up to one particular voltage, 2 or 1.8 volts and above will be high, and 1.2 or 1.3 till that time it will be low, or more than that, or more than 1.2 to in between 1.8 volts it will be low condition, I mean intermediate condition. It may be on or it may be off, so it will get confused, the IO will get confused. So actually main problem was with the IO, so that I replaced, and after that a resistor that was providing 3.3 voltage to the power supply, means 10k resistor 2.9 you will get, but here the resistor value was 3.9k. Then also it should come, voltage should come, but it was not coming. Maybe it's an internal problem with the resistor. So that's why I replaced both. Now it's working fine. See? Okay, that's it. Thank you.